Any adjournment request?
May it please, your Lordship. Lordship, in item number 14,
Item number 14.
yes, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit just today, Lordship, an additional affidavit on behalf of respondent number 7, Lordship. So your Lordship may kindly allow the matter to come up after 2 weeks along with our affidavit, Lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Lordship,
Respondent
I have
number
a petition.
7, Lordship.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, Lordship. Lordship, we have a similar matter. It is a similar matter that is Harsing English WBC 7824. Lordship, may I tag the matter with this matter also.
Pleading is complete.
Pardon, Lordship?
Pleading is complete there.
Yes, Lordship. No, so Lordship, it's in motion stage.
No. This is an admission 2020 matter. Item number 14. Okay, you are for petitioner.
Petitioner.
Mr.
Yes, sir. Arun.
A. Horoni Learning Council for the petitioners is present. Miss
B. Shohei, Lordship.
B.
B. Shohei,
Sohi,
Lordship.
Learned Council, appearing for the respondent number 7 has submitted that an affidavit in opposition.
Additional affidavit, Lordship.
Additional affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 7 has been filed today. Also, as the said additional affidavit in opposition is not tagged with the case record, Mr. He has paid for listing of the case after 2 weeks with the said affidavit, additional affidavit in opposition on record. Also, as agreed to very learned counsel for the petitioners, list the case after praise allowed for 2 weeks.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S. Samari. I have already taken the consent from the
Okay,
Petitioner.
Mr.
MM Zaman, Lordship.
M.M. Zaman.
Lordship, I am for the petition. I have a small prayer, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, here I am not being able to operate the account and income tax notice has also been received. And this is the 5th date they are asking for time. I understand he is not well, but he is not well since 1 year. It's regarding a society.
Not
A society is being run by, it's not by an individual person. We are against the society. This is who is running the society. That is the main thing. Because
Okay.
the last occasion also, there are 2 occasions they have.
Last occasion, the petitioner side have taken the time.
No, we are not taken.
Maybe
This is,
last
this is, we are not, you said that you were, this was done, they were not well, that's why it was.
Okay, we'll put it on a fixed date then.
Fixed date and the last chance may be given to file their.
Lordship, thing is that the respondent number 7 is out of instance. He is suffering from cancer, Lordship.
This is from 1 year. This is the instruction. I have clear instruction. I have asked for that. I cannot object to a thing, but for last 1 year, it's
No
a
record will
society.
you- Then you wait for your turn, we'll see the record.
But it may be.
At the
adjourned.
motion
It is-
stage, huh?
It may be adjourned. It's a admission stage.
No, at the mention stage, these kind
No,
of submissions are,
No.
then we'll, you wait for a
That-
turn.
That is there. That
That
is.
may kindly be fixed.
It's a, I'm not objecting, she is not well, I'm not objecting to that point, but only thing is it should be last, okay. that's-
That observation without looking into the order sheet,
Then we can.
it is not possible.
That's I understand, Lordship, but the difficulty is that I am not being able to operate and income tax
Yes,
thing is also there.
That's fine.
Your Mr. M.M. Jawan, learned counsel for the respondent number 7 has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that the respondent number 7 is undergoing treatment for serious ailment. First of Mr. R.J. Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners has submitted that no affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7 has been, why if he's a person only, how it is,
He's a president, he's supposed to, we are the actual owners of the society, he is saying that he is the person. So,
is there any secretary?
no, there is a change of secretary, there is a dispute between the society, that is the problem.
Okay, no affidavit has been filed despite grant of time on several occasions. First of in view of the ground cited, come and let the case be listed again on 24
Before,
11.
and deeply of that.
May I please, your Lordship? Also, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. Here, Lordship, as per court order, Lordship, I filed on interlocutory application, Lordship, on 7. But same is not clapped along with the
Mr.
petition.
H. Saludar, learning counsel for the petition has submitted that an interlocutory application for what?
For implement, Lordship.
For implement has been filed on
7, Lordship.
7/11. As the said affidavit interlocutory application is not listed today, he has paid for listing of the case on Friday,
On Friday, Lordship.
along with the interlocutory application.
On Friday, Lordship.
1411.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item 15, Lordship. Wherein we
Item
filed-
15,
Yes, Lordship.
yes,
We filed a rejoinder affidavit, Lordship, today.
Hmm.
Kindly take it up on some other date, Lordship.
okay, Mr. S. De, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that a rejoinder affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner today. You have informed other sides.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Ms. M. Borman, learned junior government advocate for the state respondent is present. As sought for by Mr. Day, leads the case after a week with the said rejoinder affidavit on record.
There's an interim order.
The interim order, if any, shall continue
Much
till
obliged.
the next date of listing.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
Yes.
This for non-compliance of the order, my lord, started from page 10, my lord. And operative part, my lord, page 14, paragraph 9, my lord.
Ex gratia.
Ex gratia, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Borman, can you take instruction? The issuing notice. Ex gratia only
Item one.
from the deputy commissioner. Gwalpara.
District Commissioner Johar, because the accident.
Okay, Jorhat.
Yes, ma'am.
Possible or shall we issue notice?
Better to issue notice.
Add Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition. Post of this contempt petition is filed alleging non-compliance of the direction made in an order dated 8/11/2024. Passed in writ petition WPC number 2986/2024. So it is averred that the order dated 8/11/2024 has been duly brought to the notice of the respondents. Post of issue notice returnable 4 weeks. The petition shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by speed post within 3 working days from the date.
Problems.
Item 2.
Your Lordship, in this matter, on the first occasion, that is 25th July, we had apprised the court that there was a particular communication that we have received from the government for initiation of the proceedings.
Yes,
However, Your Lordship, after that, there has been no such communication or any update as of now. My instructions, Your Lordship, is to withdraw the matter and to refile, seeking liberty to refile.
Miss
Miss A. Bhuya, Your Lordship.
A. Bhuya,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted from our instruction that the petitioner wants to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file appraise with more and subsequent particulars. Because of Miss H. Sharma, learned addition, senior government advocate for the respondent number 1 and 2. Which is present has and has no objection to the prayer so made. Post of in view of the above submission made by Ms. Swinson, learned counsel for the petitioner, the petition is withdrawn on this, dismissed on withdrawal. Come with the liberty, come as prayed for.
Most obliged.
Item 4.
May please, Lordship. Sir, you can pass out for the timing, Lordship. The timing.
Item number 5.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter is regarding allotment of Sapru, my lord, in Sapatgam Municipal Board, my lord. Earlier, there was a round of litigation. Lordship will find that order at page 88.
Page
88 of my petition, annexer 17. Lordship will kindly turn to.
88 or 89, 89. Which repetition? 1247.
Yes, my lord. 1247 of 2024.
Uh-huh.
Relevant paragraph will be paragraph 4 and 5. May I read it?
Yes, duly considered for allotment.
Yes, my lord.
Ah,
My lord, originally I was having a shop room facing the main road of that particular building, my lord. That was demolished, and in the new building,
ah.
also I have been allotted the same room number, but now has been pushed back to the rear corner of the building. Thereby, my lord, the commercial validity of the room has been decreased, my lord. And I'm
So
agree.
you are not satisfied with the location.
I'm not satisfied with the, lordship will find at page number 100, annexure 21. This is the room allotted on 22nd of April 2025.
কপিও দিয়া নাই 95 এর পিছত পেজে নাই
I have been given a room number 6. Room number 6 was same, but they have numbered it haphazardly.
Hmm.
So I am agree, my lord. I say, my lord, there are
Do you have any plan? Have you annexed any plan?
that I don't have, my lord.
Huh? To
That I
understand
don't-
for us? For our understanding?
No, my lord, I don't. I am. I say, my lord, there is a statement on a in my
When?
petition, my lord.
Where?
That, no, my lord. What I say, my lord, there are room vacant in the facing the main room, but that has not been allotted to us. My lord.
Okay, I will issue notice at this stage.
At this stage, my lord.
whether a mandamus can be issued lordship had it been a case of the petitioner that he was not allotted any room matter would have been different now as per his own choice
No,
say, I want this whether that can be done lordship
I don't know whether how many shops were there earlier.
earlier it was less, but now presently there are 21. 10 facing. the
Earlier,
main
how
room.
many?
Earlier, my lord, lordship will continue. Yes, my lord. Just a second, my lord.
Now it is a one-story building or two-story building?
2 stories building. But these 21 rooms are at the,
he is given a room lordship he is given a room
earlier also there were 21. My lord, that is
21.
on their affidavit, my lord, in the earlier round of litigation at page 81. It is
When
there,
it, prior to demolition, how many shops were there?
21.
21.
21.
After new construction?
My lord, it's a multi-story building. In the ground floor, there are 21 rooms.
21.
21.
so he is given in the ground floor itself
But my lord, there are vacant room because few, one or two,
Maybe by lottery, maybe by some policy, we don't know. Yeah, we'll issue notice at this stage.
lordship
I heard Mr. T.R. Sharma, and counsel for the petitioner. Mr. H. Sharma, and additional
1 2 and 3
senior government advocate Hassan for the respond number 1, 2, and 3. The petitioner. Was a tenant, was allotted shop room number 1, 6,
6.
measuring 6 into 8 square feet in a market complex under the respondent. Under the erstwhile Sopotgram Town Committee. Within bracket presently Sopotgram Municipal Board, presently
Municipal Court.
post of. A decision was taken to demolish the earlier old building, dismantle the old building to construct a new building on the same plot of land. First up,
chairman
after construction of new building, a new market complex building named as Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Market Building, Shapatgram Municipal Board has allotted room number 6 again in the ground floor of the new market complex building, full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that at earlier point of time, the petitioner shop number 6, room number 6, shop room number 6 was on the front side of the building, whereas after the new allotment, the petitioner shop room number 6 has been is in a
The rear corner of the building. my
in
lord.
the rear corner of the building. Full stop. The petitioner's claim is that being an old LOT, the petitioner should have been allotted a room on the front side of the new market complex building. First of all, issue notice returnable 4 weeks, as Mr. Sharma has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, issuance of formal notice to the said respondents is dispensed with extra copies working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 and 5 by speed post within 3 working days from today.
Item 6.
Last occasion, I will lordship directed to obtain instruction regarding demarcation of land. I have submitted a presentation before the district commissioner. While their date was fixed,
1 minute.
hello. Instruction has been received, my lord. ডিমার্কেশন হোৱা নাই এটা কেছ এটা হ'ল অবজেকশন দিয়া হ'ল এটা ৰিলেক্সেশন দিছে কৰি দিব এইখিনি second place paragraph 5 my lord it says
Inheritance mutation was done. What the petitioners here?
Biroza Das and others.
Biroja, Shubho, Viren Parameshwar.
5, 6, my lord.
As per it of a plot of land covered.
There was a
Which is Kalmani Portaland.
in the said case, my lord, the petitioner before here also filed an objection. Now the case has been dropped out, my lord, or any session is over, it will be done very shortly.
Okay, well, this was initiated. Yes,
So, my lord,
it will be undertaken now. It will be resumed
Yes. And that may be
because of rainy season.
within time frame.
And in the meantime, some other case was filed. That was
Striking out.
Ah.
In the same case, the petitioner before your lordship also filed a written objection.
objection.
So, that has been dropped now,
Ah.
my lord, and the rainy season is also over.
Yes, anybody else? So what time? We can dispose of.
Yes, my lord.
Within time frame.
We did time frame. my lord.
Heard Mr. N. Sharma, learning counsel for the petitioners. Ms. G. Hazarika, and standing counsel. Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respond number 1.
I am for 2 and 3
And N. Sharma
and Das, my lord.
and us. Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respond number
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Full stop. আগৰ অৰ্ডাৰটো 1 নম্বৰৰ পেৰান 2 আৰু 3 পেৰানটো লিখিব when the petition was moved on 31/10/2025, the Honorable Junior Government Advocate was asked to obtain instruction as to why the demarcation exercise was not carried out or has not been carried out till date, full stop, para. In deference to the order dated 31/10/2025, Mr. Das, the Learned Junior Government Advocate, has placed an office letter dated 6/11/2025 of the respondent number 2 addressed to him. Full stop. As per the instructions contained in the office letter dated 6/11/2025, after the process of serving of notices initiated on 6/5/2025, asking the stakeholders to submit objection if any, an objection was received from one Santiram Das to suspend the demarcation process until disposal of another case filed by him in respect of the same, in respect of a parcel of land under the same DAG. Full stop. The other case, in the other case, filed by Sri Santiram Das, the petitioners herein submitted their objection and that other case had already been dropped. Full stop. The respondent number 2 has further mentioned that the representation, the joint representation filed by the petitioners hearing on 18/9/2025 has already been forwarded to the respondent number 3 for taking necessary action in the matter. Full stop. The respondent number 2 has further stated that it has been reported by the respondent number 3 that the demarcation process had was kept suspended due to the monsoon season And as the rainy season is already over, necessary steps for conducting the demarcation process of the subject plot would be is under process. Full stop. Para. Mr. Das, on further query, Mr. Das has submitted that a period of 2 months,
2 months.
2 months will be sufficient to complete the demarcation process. Full stop. Para, in view of the above instructions placed by the respond number placed on behalf of the respond number 2 and taking note of those submissions made by Mr. Das, this petition. This court is of the considered view that instead of keeping this petition pending, the same can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 2 and 3, more particularly, the respondent number 3 to complete the demarcation process in respect of the subject plot as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 2 months from today.
My
Full
lord,
stop.
uh,
A copy of this order be furnished to Mr. Das, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Sam, to take necessary steps from his end.
my lord, this may be the part of the record.
The office letter dated 6/11/2025 of the respond number 2, as placed by Mr. Das is kept with the case record by marking it as document X.
Item 7.
May it please, my lord.
Statute does not permit 40 lakhs. Statute does not permit 40 lakhs. Secondly, this is not the forum perhaps. When there is a specific tribunal set up to adjudicate this issue, a writ petition is not to be entertained until and unless exceptional case is made out.
Yes.
Why you have made the effort of filing the writ petition? What is the provision?
No, there is no provision. At first instance. we
No,
should have approached-
unmanned or whatever.
Yes, my lord.
It is a railway crossing. Once the gate is, you
Close.
cross the gate.
Yes, my lord.
So
Yes.
this is an untoward accident, may be untoward, may not be untoward, we don't know.
Yes, my lord.
I think Railway Claims Tribunal has the jurisdiction
Yes, my
perhaps.
lord. No, these facts are to be examined through trial first, yes.
Or that they will examine,
Yes, my lord.
whether we will examine.
My lord, writ jurisdiction does not permit this honorable court to
What is the Railway
deal
Tribunal?
with
Railway
disputed
Tribunal Act.
facts.
Railways Act. Once you cross the gate, you are within railway jurisdiction. And if it is a death as a result of untoward accident,
Alternately, remedy, my lord, normally not permissible in these kind of disputed questions of facts.
and this is disputed. Railway Claims Tribunal account করা হয়েছে। মেলে আছে না?
I believe the maximum ceiling limit is 8 lakhs, if I'm not mistaken.
That is why I said he asked for
Hmm.
the sky,
Yes, my lord,
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs.
And Parliament has decided that in case of compensation on account of untoward accident, yes, to be dismissed.
My lord, withdraw with liberty to approach the appropriate forum.
Well, you may be allowed to withdraw, my lord.
You, why don't you read beforehand? You throw the ball to the court only. Simply everything in the read court. You don't read, only draft. 124A is clear of the Railway Act. Compensation on account of untoward accident. When in the course of working a railway an untoward incident occurs, then whether or not there has been any wrongful act, neglect or default on the part of the railway administration, so and so, such as it is a passenger.
In case of death, there is a specific provision, my lord. I do not have the copy of the act right now.
No, 124. 124. When in the course of working a railway an accident occurs during a collision or derailment or other accidents to a train, any part of a train. You were throwing the liability to whom?
My lord, my lord, District Commissioner, my lord, Hailakandi, two representatives.
Why? It is not his jurisdiction.
My lord, area manager also I preferred, my lord. The area manager, Northeast Frontier Railway, Badarpur, respondent number 4, my lord. Representation, my lord, would have at page 26, my lord. 20,
No, you tell me
20
about
is some
chapter 3 of the Railway Claims Tribunal Act and chapter 13 of the Railways Act. In the course of an accident occurs.
Yeah.
Passage. Unmanned railway.
দশ লাখ টাকা ক্লেম করি স্যার
40 lakhs of. With 26, page 26 to solution. At or 27. 27. Deal.
None of you has come prepared. $61.
Statutory limit might have been prescribed in the rules, not in the act itself.
No, that I know.
Yes, my lord.
Earlier it was 4 lakhs, now it is 8
lakhs,
lakhs.
my lord. Rule 3 page, এখন answer again. এখন 9, huh?
Did you file any case?
No, my lord.
Huh?
Not previously, ma'am.
No. If any railway servant when on duty endangers the safety of any person by any rash or negligent act or omission, he shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine which may extend to so and so, or with both. So, did you report it to the railway police?
FIR we have lodged, my lord. The
Where?
PRPS.
Where?
Annexure 4, page 21, my lord.
Annexure 4, page
4, page
21.
21.
Before whom?
My lord, this is before the officer in charge, order
ERPS.
CRPS. Page 19 is the
ERPS.
type copy, my lord.
Hmm.
Railway police.
So everything will be dependent upon the inquiry, not before report.
Yes, my lord.
Heard, Mr. P.R. Sharma, and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in view of availability of alternative remedy, the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition in order to avail the appropriate remedy. Mr. B.D. Deca, Central Government Council,
Central government, CZ.
for the respondent number 1,
And 4, my lord.
4. G. Hazurika, Revenue, 2, and Mr. Andas, Junior Government Advocate. Some for the respondent 3 are present. Post of, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Sarmal and counsel for the petitioner, the petition is dismissed on withdrawal in order to avail, in order to enable the petitioner to avail the available alternative remedy.
Item number 8.
Sir, this petitioner, he is a registered cattle trader man. His 32 numbers of cows were seized by the Morigao police. Subsequently, on interim zimma, that has been granted to the petitioner. Now, my lord, IO is not releasing. As my lord, IO is requiring that petitioner has to clear the maintenance cost of the, my lord, these cows, seized cows, my lord, during seize period. He has to, firstly, he has to pay clear the Gosala bills. Thereafter, he will release. But the rule says, Lordship will kindly see the rule 12(3), my lord. If he is convicted, my lord, having all the rules, my lord. 12(3), my lord. That shall be recovered only if he is, my lord, convicted, my lord.
Yes.
Hello,
Go
the-
through it.
Yes,
Take up on Wednesday.
yes. Friday, my lord. In the meantime, I'll take the
Friday.
instruction also.
Let him ask Mr. Jesse Google and good evening, Look. Council for the petition and Mr. Ansh last line of the government to get a some for the response number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 4. Goes for. Mr. Das submitted that the case be posted on Friday in order to enable him to obtain instruction in a matter if possible and to go through the relevant rules and regulations.
Yes.
Release the case on. You need any copy?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Google and Council for the petition shall furnish an extra copy of the petition and an annexure to Mr. Das during the course of the day. Is the case on Friday?
1411.
Item 9.
May I please, your
Yes,
lordship?
Mr. Bond.
That is the case, lordship. Ministry of Road and Highways, lordship, National Highway Authority acquired the land and they have, according they surveyed the area. While surveying they have left out some structures that have
Left out?
left out the structures. Structures, that means houses, shops, lodges. It was not assessed. Accordingly, we represented the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner also issued a letter to the concerned authority to assess the left out structures, but they have not done anything. Lordship.
Left out structures.
Structures, lordship. Page, lordships will find 44. Now the authority are contemplating to demolish the houses.
State
lordship.
and
Page
enjoying.
44.
As season, what is the below later than morning. Yes.
Lordship, they are not the owner, Lordship. Kindly peruse that page 26, my lord. And no land document also annexed along with the repetition.
Please
Yeah.
26.
6. Petition number
Agreement.
1 and 2 are the owner, they have stated, but no documentary evidence, and others are LACs.
You claim to be owner.
I am claiming for compensation in respect of Jirat.
Right, but this DAG number you have mentioned,
And yes, there is a
in what
Next
kind
is-
of, what kind of lessee?
Yes.
lessee lease on lordship 1 and 2 are the owners and they have constructed shops. And others are lessee, they obtain lease agreement from the owners, they have constructed shop houses and running their business. And accordingly, the tax receipts are their lordship and
Running their business.
business, shops, lordship. And lordship kindly see, no objection certificate I have also annexed regarding construction of house. And
One
tax
minute.
we have also paid. That I have annexed. Page lordship will find tax receipts are start, no objection certificate start from
Yeah.
page 21. To 25 of the petitioners I have annexed, seems are similar in nature. And next, from 27
minute.
onwards, taxes. We
What is the
have
notification?
notification is at page lordship.
CA,
Yes,
Lordship,
lordship,
page 32.
1 minute. CA.
you see, petitioners in respect of village Khashipur lordships.
We don't know veracity, but the annexer A says that these documents are of 2020. right? Mr. Talda,
Lordship.
and these receipts, at least annexure 3,
Yes,
those are of 2020
Lordship. What kind of NOC receipt that is, Lordship?
house tax.
Yes, Lordship. But they have to submit the original land document, Lordship, whether they are the original pattadar or not, that is also issue, Lordship.
I am not the pattadar. I am
They are the
lessee.
lessee, and original pattadar is
Leti.
lessee, Lordship.
1 and 2 are the owner also.
What kind of compensation 1 and 2 are seeking?
Because they have also
Let us see
constructed
their name. Let us see their name in the notification.
Yes,
1 and 2.
notification lawsuits.
1 and 2.
1 and 2 lawsuits.
Which serial number?
Yes, lawsuit. Page 35, bottom lawsuit,
35.
122 serial number.
122.
Their father's name will find page 36, Nasiruddin Lashkar.
122.
Oh, lawsuit serial number 122, page
100.
35.
35.
122 serial, left
Hmm.
side.
Dark
page
number
35.
429.
Yes. And
Okay.
then page 36, their father's names mentioned here.
Please
Nasiruddin Lashkar, right side lawsuit will
One.
find. So many pattadas are there in this.
You want to say Nasiruddin Lashkar.
Yes, lawsuit.
The petition number, he is the father of the petition number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Okay. This area under 429, what is the, this is in hectare or acre?
Lawsuit.
Hectare. It is translated into how much?
It is lawsuit.
Point
Petitioner
three,
are the
point
owners
three five
of
six five.
1 and 2 are the owners of land measuring lawsuits.
You
17
say
kata.
17 less, huh?
17 kata.
This 0.3565 hectare
Hectare.
amounts to what? In lessa or kotha? Yes, this, at least this direction was there, page 44. He is agreed by that. Imdad Hussain Lashkar. How they have jumped in now? Page 43. Page 43
Lawsuits.
is by page number 1 only.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
He said 429 Dag number, 82 Pathar number.
Yes.
And he is specific that missing the Assam type iron structure house.
Yes.
He was the only person who raised the grievance.
Yes. Others have verbally approached lawsuit.
Others
Verbally
have
approached the authority lawsuit.
since 2025 September verbally
And
approaching.
This that
He
is
says
not
one house,
in the respect of petition number 1.
17 lessa,
Yes, lawsuit.
right?
Lawsuit.
Huh?
17 quota.
17 kotha.
Quota. 17 quota.
17 kotha. That is why I wanted to find out 0.35. No. If arithmetic is not supporting, huh?
Father is still alive.
Yes, father is alive.
Whether the lands are in your name.
Here we have constructed the shops lawsuits above the land. Here
Page
only
43,
giraffe in
sir.
respect of
Page
giraffe.
43, you said only one house in Pata number 82, Dag number 429. Where have the other jumps in? Where from the others have
Others-
jumped in?
Others are lawsuit requested the authority, and according the deputy commissioner has submitted a letter, lordship, to the executive engineer.
Assessment of value.
Not only in respect of the petitioner, but also other persons, those who have been left out.
Now, what is your grievance? Okay, the process was not undertaken. That is the grievance.
Yes.
Huh? Page 44. Oh, nothing. No, there is nothing. There is nothing. Kasipur.
Kasipur Part 2, lordship, in respect of, we belong to Kasipur village Part 2, lordship.
House tax.
original
This is a 3D notification,
Yes,
page
lordship.
32,
Yes, lordship.
in December 2023. Thereafter, what is the process? National Highway.
In the second notification, 3D, lordship, initially.
No,
we have
thereafter, what is the process?
process, lordship.
Ah. What is the procedure?
Procedural, lordship.
Statutory process.
3G.
3D2, that stage is
3G2.
over. Land is absolutely
3G2.
vested in the central
Central
government.
government.
Yes, 3G2.
Then,
Company authority to lordship 3G2. Determination of amount payable to compensation. 3G2. Where the right of user.
Mr. Talwar, find out whether you have
After
taken
3D lordship, 3G lordship will come. lordship.
3E,
Yes,
you enter into the possession.
yes, lordship. Then 3G.
Whether you have
what
taken
the work
over
here.
possession. Whether you have taken over possession.
Yes, yes, I will.
Huh?
I'll obtain instruction. lordship.
Take instruction. If you have taken over possession,
Lordship,
whatever
there is
land
no-
have been acquired.
Yes, lordship, but there is no
And
any.
there is no other,
Yes,
what averment you have made? Because we also know,
land documents at least some.
we are also aware
I-
that
That document,
system is operating there. Some nexus in case of land acquisition process.
Yes,
In-
lordship.
Many officials are also found.
to assess the by structures.
No, if
regarding
your,
compensation.
if your thing is not acquired, why they should
No, no,
assess?
lordship acquired, lordship.
Where?
Yes, the notification dark number is there, lordship.
Huh, they have admitted.
That's- Yes. One,
They have admitted, sir, that 3D2 notification means that
yes,
they have taken the land of that person. Right, taken over that land. They have acquired,
yes,
right?
Yes.
That Nasiruddin.
yes.
Nasiruddin.
Yes, in respect to other person.
Huh.
That,
Nasiruddin, that is 1 and 2.
one and-
Their
other-
father,
Yes, the kind
they
of-
don't
Yes.
have their own land.
but
They would be inheriting their father's land.
yes, but in respect of other petitioners, lordship, can you see? No objection
See,
certificate. I have
if
annexed no,
after taking lease
lordship.
from petition number 1 and 2, please, you have constructed some sheds or structures,
Lordship.
right? Your claim will be against him.
No. 1 and 2 lordships, another patta. Other petitions are other pattas. Not
Where are those pattas?
Those pattas are lordship kindly see. Next,
Where are those patta?
those pattas are lordship, this no objection certificate I have annexed. That I have a lordship, I have not annexed the land document regarding lease agreement, but a no objection certificate I have
This is
annexed.
different,
That
lordship,
numbers are there.
lessor is not before this court, lordship.
And dark
are
numbers
lessee
are
approved.
also reflected in the notification.
You make this Kasipur Gram Panchayat
Yes.
party.
Hashibur Gav,
Where is that?
Hashibur Gav Panchayat, I have not
Huh?
made any part because
You make the Panchayat parties.
I have not.
If it is really a Panchayat, because if it is really a Panchayat land, right?
Not Panchayat land.
Please,
Yes, within Panchayat, yes.
if it is a Panchayat land, compensation will be given to Panchayat. And as a person interested, you'll be getting a part of it. Right. If they are settling, Panchayat authorities are issuing licenses.
Issuing
These annex are too serious, sir.
issuing not a license to me regarding construction, Panchayat area land.
If
But-
really,
Yes,
if it is really
but
Panchayat land,
no, it is not Panchayat land. It's the patta land of the private persons. That not.
how
Yes, lordship.
this is too intriguing.
Panchayat
Now cat is
issued
going to be
30
out of the bag. Now cat will be
That
yes.
lordship-
How Panchayat can issue permission to set up, construct structure on a plot of land which does not belong to it. Somida under the Panchayat Act. And if it is Panchayat land, and if you have set up in the Panchayat land, right, your structure, then compensation will be first given to Panchayat. Your claim is
structures.
structure.
But here is.
Where is the dark number?
Dark number lordship. In the no certificate, any the lordship can see petition number 3, page 34.
How these are?
They
You
talk
make
about 206.
Panchayat a party. The cat will be out of the bag.
And similar matter already issued notice.
Everything will be clear.
Yes, yes, on this.
Right. Because Panchayats are issuing
On
no objection
14th
certificate
and similar cases.
to construct structure to you, these Annexure B series. Now, according to your own submission, it is private patta land.
Private patta land.
Right.
Yes.
If it is private patta land,
How Panchayat?
how can the Panchayat issue no objection certificate to construct structures on private patta land?
They are taking.
There are many questions to be answered. Have you understood my?
I understood, lordship.
The Panchayat is issuing no objection certificate to construct structures, buildings
I have to see.
on private patta land. Then who is the owner?
I have to see
Hmm?
that Panchayat.
And Panchayats are issuing so many NOCs,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, yes.
And the dark number, patta number, that belongs to the petition number 1 and 2's father,
Yes.
who has only 17 kathas.
Yes. Yes.
That is why, Mr. Das, I have asked, this hectare translates into what? We cannot allow the people to run a syndicate under the cover of a court order. At the very beginning, I asked 0.3565 hectare amounts to how much square feet?
14 less, 14 less,
How much square feet?
14 less.
14 lessers. So out of 17 lessers, maybe the other persons, so many men,
Here in
this is 17 lessons.
Yeah.
Mister, everything will come down.
Yes, sir.
If you do the arithmetic, page 35.
Yes.
0.3565 hectare amounts to 14 lessons. Here also.
But-
And claimants are not only Nasiruddin Loskar. Ramizuddin Loskar is there. Samsul Alam Chaudhuri there. Kamrul Alam Chaudhuri is there. Nebul Hussain Majumdar is there. And so many, 2-3 more. So on 14 lessas of these 6 persons were required, right? Out of those 6,
In Borak.
Nasiruddin Loskar
In Borak.
is one of the 6,
Yes.
right? And he has a share out of 14 lessas.
In Borak Valley's land.
So
calculation
your
is something
petition-
different, Lordship.
Is lacking details. And this, if it is a private patta land, dag number 429 and patta number 82, then Panchayat has no authority to issue structure or allot land in your favor. This annexer 2.
Land
Something is fishy.
I will take instruction in this regard regarding.
Or you also implead Panchayat.
I
Not
also
only Gaon Panchayat.
Panchayat Secretary.
No. Chief Executive Officer of Anchalik Panchayat, a state official. Panchayat Secretary, he may be slippery one.
And
Get an government official on record. The concerned Chief Executive Officer of the Anchalik Panchayat, jurisdiction Anchalik Panchayat, and also the Gaon Panchayat Secretary. Make them 2 parties. I'll ask the Chief Executive Officer or Executive Officer of the Panchayat, Anchalik Panchayat. Because arithmetic is not supporting you.
in Borak Valley's Lordships, land calculation is something different.
It will be Chatak or something like that.
Yes, here is the, in the respect of 20 lessas land, it will 1 kata. And in Borak Valley's
No, hectare can be translated into square feet.
square feet, that will,
You leave aside Chatak, Lesa,
Yeah.
square feet. How many Lesa is equal to 1? How many square feet is equal to 1 Lesa? 22,880. 2,880. 1440 is, I think, divide crossing 28. 2880.
1 less only 1 per square feet. 154.
38,367 divided by 2880. Mr. Das, you take what is the area of land under dag number so and so and patta number so and so. And who are the owners?
Button.
Dag number specific to 429. Under patta number 82. Area of land. And who are the owners?
and
That will clear?
Lordships, then other, yes,
Because everybody is occupying 429 only.
no,
Other.
other pattas.
But they are lazy.
Not only they are lessee,
They are lazy Lordship others, sir.
others.
And no
Petition
documentary
number-
evidence also along with
What
the
kind of lazy?
Lordship, no evidence, nothing Lordship.
Agreement for
Oh, we'll
Lordship, there we have constructed the shops, Lordships. An agreement for construction.
will
shop.
non-suit
Lordship,
other petitioners.
I will annex the agreement, Lordship. I have All the agreement I have, Lordship, but I have not, but since I have annexed the,
With whom you have entered into agreement?
Lordship,
With whom you have entered into agreement as a lessee?
as owner, Lordships,
Owner,
owner,
owner.
Lordship.
So is he getting compensation?
Since his land was acquired, Lordship,
No.
at this stage, I don't know whether he got,
Whether owners had get compensation or not.
he will get certainly.
No, are they in the list?
In the list, their owners' names are there.
You know the owners,
Yes, sir.
you know your landowners,
Yes, I know.
right?
Yes, Lordship.
First is the soil.
Yes.
For the land,
Yes.
the owners will get compensation,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes, yes.
Over that land, you have constructed a structure,
Structure.
right?
Yes, Lordship.
So whether owners are in the list of beneficiaries or not,
He is the list of beneficiaries, Lordship, in the land, Lordship.
where is the statement?
That statement I have not given, but since he is the owner, I am only claiming
come
respect to
that-
structure.
Our owners have got their land compensation,
Certainly get land.
right? There has to be statement, right?
Yes.
And the structures over those plots of land were constructed by us after getting due permission from owner and the authority,
Yes, sir.
right? But
It will also have come. Then I have entered into a lease agreement with the other.
But you have a list of beneficiaries, page 32,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Is it not? Now let us compare your table. Where is your table?
26.
Page
26, my lord.
26. Are these dark numbers are appearing in page 32 notification?
Yes, appear.
Huh?
Appear.
Please let us take one. 210. Dark number. Dark number 210.
Yes, 210.
Page 34 last, Lordship, serial number 110.
Abdul Samad. This is agricultural land.
Agricultural.
Saligura. Something is wrong. 203.
Serial number 100, my lord.
Show us your land document. You annex the land documents along with your owner. Look, these are bereft of necessary detail.
Yes, I will place.
Is it not? Suppose your landowners have got the land compensation as well as consumed the Jirat compensation. Then your claim will be against your landowner.
No, certainly not. But here
By
the
way of
only
a civil
Jirat,
suit.
Lordship. Since it is only in respect of Jirat, I have that document.
No, if the Jirat as well as land compensation has
Whether
been
he has-
already done, and he has consumed everything,
Payment yet to be done, Lordship. No payment made, Lordship.
that we don't know. You disclose your landowners, make them parties.
Party not required, but I will.
No, your entire
I will annex-
claim,
Lordship,
entire.
I will annex the land document, Lordship, regarding.
Where
lease-
from he has got the claim for Jirat?
I am in respect of Jirat, Lordship.
No. Where is your claim?
It's
He'll have to make it clear in his pleadings. My lord, that the landowner says either got the compensation with regard to the land and Jirat.
Jirat.
See,
I mean,
if Mr. Borhuya, the landowners, right, over which structures, you are claiming compensation, Jirat.
Lordship.
Landowners, if their lands are acquired, they will not remain sleeping. If they have got the compensation, then they will be satisfied. Plus, normally, landowner construct and rent it out. If that is the position, it is the landowners who will get the land compensation as well as Jirat compensation.
Certainly.
You will be kicked out.
Yes,
That's all.
certainly.
right?
Yes, yes.
So we don't know the position. Why should
I
we
will-
enter?
Lordship, I will.
Why will we will involve the district machinery, PWD machinery, everything without any details?
I will annex the
I am
land
dismissing.
agreement,
And
Lordship.
his father
I am
is also alive,
dismissing.
my lord.
Lordship,
His father is also
Lordship,
alive.
I am dismissing it.
Lordship,
Lack of necessary
Original
detail.
owner claim.
Lordship, allow me to amend, allow me to
No
amend. it,
amendment,
Lordship.
no amendment, no
Lordship,
piecemeal
allow me to
approach.
amend, Lordship. I have documents, Lordship.
You file it properly. Don't try to.
Lordship, would do it liberty.
You can do it.
Yes, would do it liberty.
But otherwise, without
Would do it
necessary
liberty,
details, why will we involve the district machinery, revenue machinery, then National Highway Authority, without knowing what kind of right you have?
But-
You say our landowners have got the benefit already, the structures we have constructed. That is not assessed. Something should be there.
Lordship, his.
Would liberty, Lordship, allow me to do it liberty.
You come with better particulars
Would do it.
and show us. Everybody was claiming because the process started long back. 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D, everything, land has already been vested
Yes,
with the central government.
yes, yes, plus section 3D, just that.
So much process has
That's fine.
gone much ahead.
As per information, amount not been.
Mr. F. U. Borvian Landed Council, what are petitioners? Will not make a roving inquiry. Mr. R.K. Kaludar,
Corazon 5, my lord.
okay, NHIDCL. By standing council NHIDCL for response number 5. And thus. Junior government advocate Assam for 3 and 4. PR Mohanto, revenue. Standing council 2 and 3. 2. Ash Sharma, standing council 6 and 7. Any central government council? Okay, are present. First of Mr. Borvian, Landed Council Board of Petition has submitted that some more documents are required to be annexed in the writ petition as first of in order to substantiate the claim of the petitioners. In that view of the matter, he has submitted that the petitioners may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition in order to file afresh with better particulars. First of, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Borvian, this petition is allowed to be withdrawn with the liberty to file afresh with better particulars. Present, better facts.
Item 10.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship.
Panchayat.
Panchayat, my lord, he had participated, the my lord petitioner had participated in a.
Okay, how do you say that she was a minor?
Yes, my lord. Lordship will kindly have a look, my lord. Page, my lord. 54, my lord.
54.
This is a my lord ration cards, my lord. First copy, my lord.
54.
54, my lord. Annexure 12, my lord. The petitioners, the respondent number 8, my lord, name.
What is the name of the, let me.
Nargis
check.
Sultana, my lord, respondent number 8, my lord. And she was born on 10/3/96. Her first child is Jakmia Sultana. She was born on 1/12/2012, my lord.
96.
She was minor, my lord.
Huh? 96.
Yes, my lord.
And this is date of birth of respondent number 8.
Respondent number 8, my lord.
Election. She was 29 years old on the date of election.
On the date of,
Respondent number 8.
on the date of election, she was 29 years.
29.
But on the regarding the my lord, her marriage, my lord, she was minor, my lord. This is regarding marriage, my lord. Child marriage. My lord.
That is
Because her first child was born on 1st of December 2012, my lord.
12.
Yes, my lord.
So 29 minus what? Child was born in which year then? Suppose
My lord,
2012.
2012, my lord. She was born in the 1996, my lord. And she was at best, my lord.
Okay,
15 years old.
1996.
Yes, my lord.
You want to say 16 years? She
My-
was 16 years
My lord.
when the first child was born.
Yes, my lord.
So definitely she got married
When she
prior
was a
to
minor.
16 years.
When she was a minor, my lord.
Hmm.
At this stage, my lord, I am praying before your lordship, my lord, just to issue notice. And my lord, let the respondent number 8 come, my lord, and let her respond, my lord, to the case, my lord.
Was this a document to be annexed?
My lord, because, my lord, somehow we,
No.
my lord,
Was
a lot of
this a document to be annexed with the nomination paper?
this was probably, my lord, I cannot say because respondent number
What
8
is the
had filed-
requirement for filing nomination? Yes, Panchayat,
Yes, there's a,
Standing Council? Standing Council Panchayat? Huh?
Next.
my lord, I have annexed the, my lord,
Which one?
notification, my lord. The eligibility
Okay.
criteria, page 17, my lord.
Page?
17, annexure 1, my lord. No, it starts
So-
from page 16. In the next page, my lord,
17.
eligibility, yes, eligibility conditions of a candidate for Assam Panchayat election 2025, as per Assam Panchayat Act 1994, section 111.
Eligibility condition.
Yes. And at serial number 3, my lord, it is rightly
One is
stated.
candidate should attain the age of 21. Okay.
21.
That is done. Complied with.
Complied with.
Contest her functional sanitary.
Condition number 3, my lord,
Yes,
that
no?
has been violated, my lord.
Every statute is considered to be prospective.
My lord,
Is it not?
no, my lord, retrospective, probably, my lord.
Huh? No. All statutes are ordinarily prospective. Judgment is retrospective.
Yes, my lord, but
Right.
yes,
So from that, where from you are saying that this act is retrospective?
my lord, this is,
Everything, then everybody, many, there will be crores of marriage.
my lord, I understand, my lord. Regarding this aspect, my lord, the statute is silent, my lord.
So it is ordinarily considered to be prospective
No, my lord, so far as
in
my-
operation.
my lord, my understanding is that, my lord. She
No,
was-
your understanding is against the established law.
No, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, there were lots of, my lord, complaint throughout the state, my lord, regarding the
It
minor.
will be a mere harassment. One litigation only. Just a
praying-
litigation.
I'm praying for your lordship, my lord. Let the, my lord, the department as well as the, my lord, the respond number 8 respond
No.
to this.
Firstly,
My lord.
you have to cross the hurdle
Yes.
of satisfying the court. Candidate.
In fact, my lord, para number, my lord, page 24 also, my lord, a separate, my lord, letter was also issued, addendum to this particular condition, my lord. Page 23 starts, in the second page, my lord, page 24, same at serial number 3, my lord. Candidates either by himself or herself or his or her spouse has not violated the legal age of marriage under the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. Affidavit shall furnish affidavit along with
Yes,
nomination.
Mr. Datta, how do you interpret? It is her own marriage.
My lord,
Marriage was solemnized in 1926.
my lord.
This condition, this statute has come in 2006. Maybe for her child, son or daughter, yes,
My lord.
correct. But how can this be applied?
My lord, prospective only, my lord, as per my understanding, my lord.
Will issue notice?
My lord. Because
Other-
it's not fundamental.
This is to be decided on the next day itself.
My lord.
My lord.
Otherwise, petitions
My lord.
are going to be filed in each and every matter.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Zed.
Jade Hamad, Learning Council for the petitioner. Mr. S. Dotto, Land Additional Senior Government,
My lord,
Planning Council,
first-
Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respond number 1,
1,
3,
3, 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7, Miss M. Bormon. Miss PB, AB,
NB.
MD,
And NB.
B,
Yes.
MB Caste of Learning Council representing Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Standing Council, Assam State Election Commission for the respondent number 2. And Miss M. Bormon, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam for the respondent number 4. Full stop. The petitioner submitted or filed nomination to contest in the Panchayat General Election 2025, held on 7/5/2025, to get elected as a ward member from ward number 3 in 53 number Bor Sapori Gaon Panchayat. Under Lahorighat Anchalik Panchayat?
No, my lord, under, yes.
Full stop. The respondent number 8 also submitted the nomination paper from the same ward, number 3. Full stop. In the results declared, the respondent number 1. After the Panchayat election, the respondent number 8 was declared elected. Full stop. The petitioner has preferred this writ petition on the ground that the marriage of the respondent number, the date of birth of the respondent number 8 is which page?
Page 54, my lord. It is 10/3/96, my lord, she was born. Page 54, my lord.
The date of birth of the respondent number 8, as per the ration card details, is 10/3/1996. And her first child was born on 1/12/2012. Meaning thereby, the respondent number 8 was a minor at the time of her marriage, and she has incurred disqualification to remain as a ward member in view of violation of the provisions of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, read with Rule 64 within bracket 4 within bracket small a of the Assam Panchayat Constitution Rules. Issue notice returnable for weeks. As so and so has appeared accepted. No following this, extra copies within 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 8 by speed post within 2 working days from today. This is the returnable on the river.
Deeply obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Item 11.
May I please, your lordship? Matter relates to fraud was committed by the protester by using the petitioner's credit card, lordship. Fraud was committed by the protester.
Fraud was committed
by
online.
Online fraud, lordship.
15/8/2025. Okay.
25.
Credit card.
Credit cards, lordship. As per the guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India, lordship, petitioner prepared for complaint within the time period before the concerned bank as well as concerned authority. Thereafter, lordship, petitioner also prepared an application before the integrated ombudsman before the Reserve Bank of India, which is pending till date, lordship.
Oh.
Page 33, lordship. This is the application which has acknowledgement is page 31 and Annexure 6.
Reserve Bank of India.
Yeah, the integrated.
Is it the authority who can decide?
Yes, lordship, there is.
Where
the-
from you are saying?
Lordship, kindly see notification, lordship.
Okay.
Page 45, Annexure 11, lordship.
Page 45.
This is the notification of 6 July 2017 issued by the Reserve Bank of India, Lordship.
Where is
There
the
are also page
ombudsman
40
provision?
Page 46, Lordship, this is the zero liability of a customer. Ombudsman, Lordship, this is there is a separate act, Lordship, which is, Lordship, Ombudsman Scheme for Digital Transaction 2009. This is the
Act?
Act, Lordship.
I don't think there will be act. Maybe regulation perhaps.
Regulation, Lordship.
No what? So within what time he is required to adjudicate or decide?
Decide, Lordship.
Within what time?
There is no time limit for a Lordship. Approaching time limit is there, Lordship.
No, you have submitted the complaint.
Complaint, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, whatever.
Any
during-
acknowledgement, any correspondence thereafter
Thereafter, Lordship, page annexure,
from ombudsman?
there is no, Lordship, communication thereafter.
Huh?
This is the page 31. This is the last communication from the Ombudsman, Lordship.
Which one?
Page 31, Lordship. They have registered a complaint, Lordship, which is pending till date, Lordship, as per my knowledge. Page
Page 31.
31, middle portion, this is the number, Lordship. Reference number 1.
RBI complaint.
Reference number 1, RBI Ombudsman complaint number so and so dated 18 September 2025 as per RBI notification reference number so and so. This is my complaint, Lordship. Thereafter, what happened, Lordship? During the pendency of this petition before the integrated
Requested to
ombudsman,
take action according to the 18(9).
my petition is page 33, Lordship. This is my
33?
petition.
Action will be taken, will be acknowledged in legal. Now come to page 31.
Yes, Lordship.
They have acknowledged your complaint.
Complaint, Lordship.
They have registered,
Registered, Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Then in two said the maintainability of or otherwise
Yes.
of your complaint under the Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme will be examined and the action taken will be advised to you in due course. Now,
This is
3.
pending, Lordship.
Please do not write to so and so
So,
for tracking the status of complaint.
Complaint.
However, you may track the status of your complaint
so and so.
on so and so by quoting your complaint number and registered mobile
Registered
number.
mobile number.
Right.
Yes.
So thereafter you tracked.
Lordship, track, this is pending as per track,
Huh?
Lordship. As per the information, Lordship, this is pending after tracking the same, Lordship. Now what happened, Lordship, page annexure 735. This is
Yes,
35 annexure 7, Lordship. This is issued by the State Bank Cards and Payment Service, Lordship. They have directing me, Lordship, in this communication. In below, Lordship, 2 lines. At present, total outstanding amount so and so is payable towards your card. Hence, we would request you to clear the outstanding on your card. They are directing to clear the outstanding, Lordship. Another is, Lordship, page 37 also. Page 37 relevant part.
Is there any mention of the RBI ombudsman complaint? In the letter, no.
They have acknowledged lordship regarding my ombudsman petition, lordship.
Where, which part?
Lordship, kindly see in the page 37 below, lordship, this is the reply of this email, lordship. From Rakesh Vishwas, page 37 below paragraph, lordship, below line. From this email from Rakesh Vishwas, sent to so and so, lordship, RBI team so and so, CC was there, lordship, nodal officer, SBI, chargeback. Subject, their reference number 1 regarding my ombudsman petition, lordship. I have already informed them, lordship. Now they have repeatedly asking to clear the outstanding of the credit cards, lordship. Another annex, page 42, annex 10, lordship, kindly see. This is this is also, lordship, from the ICICI Bank, lordship. So during the pendency of my till finalization of the ombudsman petition, lordship,
No, Mr. Hawk,
lordship.
we are concerned with RBI ombudsman.
Ombudsman, lordship.
We are not concerned with your SBI card
Lordship.
limited. That is a private entity.
Entity.
That is not a article
My
12,
My original.
article 12 entity.
Lordship. My original bank account belongs to SBI, lordship, State Bank of
That is a different thing.
which is
The choice is on you
yes, lord.
to take a debit card, credit card,
card.
whatever facility.
Facility.
If it is credit card, then it is through SBI Card Limited. And that is a private entity, not like SBI. It is not an Article 12 entity, an instrumentality of the state. So far, ombudsman is concerned, he acts under a statutory scheme. We are examining that only.
This is
We are not
pending.
bothered with your 62,000 or 68,000 liability. And that is a private entity. You have entered into an agreement with them,
My
right?
case is
This is credit card, sir.
lordship.
We are examining inaction on the part of the RBI ombudsman only. Who are parties here?
Reserve Bank, lordship. Banking Ombudsman, Reserve Bank of India, lordship. Respondent number 1. Others are the bank authority, lordship.
What is the status shown in the website? When you
Pending,
track
lordship.
your complaint?
I have not checked, lordship, as per information from the
Oh,
client, lordship.
you have not tracked, you
It
have
is-
come here.
Lordship,
Please come tomorrow or day after tomorrow after checking.
petitioner informed me that till now.
No,
it is
you
showing
yourself track.
Yes, sir, I am not.
If it is resolved, that is one. Secondly, beyond jurisdiction, that could be one. Or still under process. And by website also, you might have been issued notice for your appearance. Have you stated so somewhere?
I have stated pending, lordship. This is pending, I have stated like that.
Pending but without tracking.
I have not tested, lordship. Personally, I have not tested.
You will check it. It is easy to track. Okay, on the request of Mr. A.B.T. Hawkland, counsel for the petitioner, is the case on Wednesday? Wednesday?
Lordship, obliging.
এখন দিয়ে দিব।
Your lordship, maybe on 13, lordship. Well, I have some difficulty.
No, this is Thursday, no, 14 or 17?
Maybe 14, lordship.
14.
Obliging.
টিকিট এখন দিয়ে দিব।
Item 12.
শোভা খাতুন।
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in this,
What? Compensation?
yes, Your Lordship,
Under what?
under the Assam Victim Compensation Scheme 2012, Your Lordship. Your lordship
DLSA
rejected.
rejected.
Yeah, dispose
Then?
of, they have stated the interim compensation may not be granted in respect of the deceased, your lordship.
And then appeal also was
Appeal-
rejected.
Appeal also avail, same, your lordship.
How is that order?
Yes, your lordship. So DLC order at best 40, your lordship.
40.
DLC order, your lordship. And
DLC,
yes, lordship.
1 minute.
Forty-one, your lordship, at best. Considering the petitioners as parents of the informant, Ziaul Haq
You are
is
the son of the above named petitioner. And the disease provision of has been lodged. And the provision is pending. No recognized. Okay, then what is the appellate order?
appellant order, your lordship, start at page 44, your lordship. Start from 44,
Operative part,
operative part as 50, your lordship.
50.
Yes, paragraph number 9,
19.
19,
19.
paragraph 19, page 50.
Okay. Now, on what ground you are filing this petition?
Because your lordship, they stated that the interim compensation may not be granted.
It is not contemplated as per the rules and regulations.
Yes,
That
your
is their
lordship,
verdict.
but that it complied only in respect of the.
I see that again, so
Yes,
limited,
yes, your
limited.
lordship. In our case, your lordship, this is a dead case, your lordship.
Date case.
So our claim is final compensation may be granted in favor of the parents, your lordship.
How can it be?
Because
Is
your-
there any provision?
Yes, your lordship. As per the scheme, your lordship,
Yes.
at page 52, your lordship, procedure for grant of compensation, your lordship.
Page?
Page 52. Down below, paragraph number 5, procedure for grant of compensation.
52.
5. 1.
5?
1, your lordship. Whenever a recommendation is made by the court or an application is made by any victim or his dependents under subsection 2 of section 357A of the Code Act, the State Legal Service Authority or District Legal Services Authority, as the case may be, the said authority respectively shall examine the case and verify the contents of the claim with regard to the loss or injury caused to victim and arising out of the reports criminal activity and may call for any other relevant information necessary in order to determine genuineness. After verifying the claim, the District Legal Services Authority or the State Legal Services Authority, as the case may be, shall after due inquiry award compensation within 2 months in accordance with provision of the scheme, your lordship.
No,
And-
CRPC not some.
And the order, of your lordship, there is a liberty given by the District Legal Services Authority.
After verifying the green. CRPC.
Compilation.
Yes.
Lordship, may I just point out that he has not deemed it fit to challenge the order which was passed by the Assam State Legal Service Authority. He's just seeking a mandamus here out of the blue. If your Lordship may kindly peruse the order which was passed by the Asalsa, it was passed more than a year back. The order is page 44.
Hmm.
The appellate order was 29/11/2024.
Hmm.
He has not deemed it fit to challenge this award by way of any certiorari. What he's asking is, after a year, he's asking for a mandamus seeking mandamus seeking 5 lakhs compensation. Where is the
Authorities have denied.
where is the
There is a
permitting the
request.
order, your lordships? Because as was very clearly the scheme itself
You have to
envisages,
assail otherwise those two orders.
he has to assault
Because,
those orders, and he has not explained the delay.
original order has been formed by the appellate authority, by the appellate order. Now, without assailing that, you have
Appellate authority,
There
the
is-
district legal service, state legal service authority.
Yes, and thereafter,
We have
when you
filed
come,
appeal petition
appeal petition before whom?
before the state legal service authority. There is a
Yes.
particular-
yes, and thereafter when you.
The original order has merged with the appellate order. The appellate order is to be challenged in the seeking a writ of such a rank, and thereafter the mandamus. That is up to you. But the fate will be known. Heard Mr. S.I. Learned Counsel for the petition. Because that will attain finality, and that will come as a stumbling block.
And also there's repetition is singularly silent about the status of the criminal trial, your lordship, the stage of the criminal trial.
Petitioners.
Clause 5(2) also
Am-
says that if the recommendation of the trial court,
That is
any
only-
sentence and compensation payable by the
Lordship, that is when the trial is complete, when the trial is over.
In normally, I have seen son or daughter can grow bigger, right? Than the father or mother, right? But in law, rules and regulation cannot grow bigger than the act, right? I have examined now in the meantime the parent. This is victim compensation scheme is a child
dependence,
and
dependence, parents also dependency.
oh, no, sir. I am bringing an analogy. I have seen the parent, right? This victim compensation scheme is a child of the parent. It cannot grow bigger than the parent. In law, means that the rules and regulations cannot grow bigger than the act. And it appears to be a case like this one. Nobody has noticed. M. Bormon. 1. R. Chaudhary, Standing Council. ASLSA 2. Mormon 3 also?
3 and 4.
1, 3, and 4. Full stop. The petitioners preferred an application before the respond number 3, originally seeking compensation under the Victim Compensation Scheme 2012, as amended, framed under, what is that policy? Section 357A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So stop. The said application was dismissed by the respondent number 3.
Lordship, not dismiss, disposed of
Disposed of by an
Right.
order dated 5
To appraise.
2024.
after trial complete.
Observing that an application in an application of this such nature, interim compensation would not be payable. Full stop. When the order dated 5/8 2024 was assailed in an appeal before the respondent number 2.
Two years.
Page 44.
Registered as appeal number 9 of 2024, the appellate authority affirmed the order of the respondent number 2 by an order dated 29/11/2024. Full stop. Agreed by non-disbursal of compensation under the Victim Compensation Scheme 2012 as amended, the petition has preferred the said petition seeking a direction, seeking a writ in the nature of mandamus for directing the respondent authorities to grant compensation. Full stop. Both Miss Bormon and Miss Chaudhary, paying for the respondent authorities, have submitted that by the appellate order, in the appellate order, the original order stood marched, full stop, full stop. The petitioners, without assailing the appellate order and the original order passed by the respondent number 2 and the respondent number 3 respectively, have preferred the writ petition seeking only a writ in the nature of mandamus, full stop. And hence the writ petition, the relief sought cannot be granted. Issue notice, returnable products. Extra copies, huh? Notice, extra copies. You open it.
I'm so obliged.
Item 13.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, we are challenging the Assam Industries Tax Reimbursement of Eligible Amendment Scheme, Lordship, 2020. And the subsequent.
You have scheme, challenge the scheme.
Lordship, in fact, Lordship.
Okay, you issue notice at this
Yes,
stage.
similar matters are in fact pending, Lordship. Have an next
Third, Mr.
P. Das, Lordship.
P. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Finance and Taxation Department. For all the respondents.
For 2 to 5, Lordship, 1 my
4.
friend will pay.
2 to 5. Miss M. Bormon, you go, Junior Government Advocate, Assam for the respondent number 1. In this petition, the petitioner has challenged the legality and validity of the Assam Industries. Within bracket tax reimbursement for eligible units, bracket close, within bracket amendment scheme, 2020, framed by notification dated 30/12/2020.
Lordship, similar order, Lordship had passed at page 234, Lordship. Exactly similar.
Okay, লিখে দিব, এখানে লিখে দিব। Page 234. Okay. Returnable on এখন দিয়ে দিব, তাৰপিছত we'll tag after the returnable on French.
10 December.
I'm obliged.
Supplementary list, item number 21.
We'll hear you in,
Maintainability.
we'll hear you on, with some time. Not today, Thursday. Okay, AK Dr. Lanit Kasapata petition is present, raise the case on Thursday. Yes. Oh.
Item 22.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
This is the case for non-disposal of victim compensation scheme petition.
petition,
I have filed petition before DLSA Golaghat.
GLSA Golaghat.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Borman can take instruction then, if it is non-disposal only.
Lordship, again, several anomalies in the petition itself. They've already sought for ex gratia, and I believe they've already got the ex gratia payment under the motor vehicles claim. So I will just have to need instructions on the matter.
That is also pending. I have mentioned in this petition.
Both are pending.
Both are pending.
You are seeking compensation from both the authorities.
Yes, Lordship.
which is not permissible, Your Lordship.
Lordship, as per Justice Honorable Ujjwal Bhuya,
No, it is not, Your Lordship. There's a misinterpretation of the order passed by Justice Honorable Justice Bhuya.
yes,
I will,
Nolata.
in any case, let notice go, Your Lordship. On the last occasion, they were not present, so notice could not be sent. Let the notice go and we'll get instructions.
Ardeka.
I declare Lanit Kasapata petitioner.
Returnable Kiman ki this is the last time, last week.
There is also an order by Honorable Justice
Surana,
Surana.
yes, which is
That's
under, which is under challenge by way of an appeal.
Lordship,
And that has not yet been
No,
disposed of.
furnish the
We'll
that
furnish
is
it.
in relation to the where the offending vehicle is identified. But in my case, it is hit and run, purely hit and run case.
Okay,
The
no,
vehicle is
no,
not
I
identified.
request, I am not saying that it is applicable to you. I don't know the case, but I have heard it. So let them furnish the details of the case. M. Borman. One, three, four.
Of 2020. Oh,
Arif Chaudhary, Standing Counsel, ASLSA, or respond number 2. The petitioner, single petitioner?
Single petition.
As a dependent seeking compensation. This petition is for what?
Lordship,
This is for victim compensation.
victim compensation scheme.
Is seeking in a direction to the responding authorities to disburse the requisite compensation under the Assam Victim Compensation Scheme 2012
Page number 38 to Los Meeting.
as amended on the ground that no, in view of
Go to.
the date of the petitioner's husband, comma, late Vijay Orang in a road traffic accident on 30/11
5 लिखित हो जाएगा बता.
in view of injuries sustained in a road traffic accident occurred on 30/11/2023, should notice returnable 4 weeks. Extra copies
The
to.
scheme itself is saying that it is.
Obliged.
You cannot come to this.
Oh, Likit, I Miss R. Chaudhary, both Miss Mormon and Miss Chaudhary have submitted that the petition has also preferred another application for compensation under the notification dated
15/11/2000.
15/11/2024.
2014. 15, 11, 14.
15/11/2014 of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam.
Lordships.
And
And-
view of such, Pusto, for the same cause of action, comma, disbursement of compensation, from two different authorities is not permissible.
In terms of clause 5 of the scheme itself, Your Lordships.
Clause, in
Five
terms of
within-
clause 5,
5.
Roman 5.
No, regular 5, Your Lordship.
Regular
Both regular 5s. 5
5
of the
5 of the Victim Compensation Scheme.
victim compensation scheme. Deeply approved.
Item 23.
Finally. Yeah. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioners had already been evicted, my lord. And before their eviction, my lord, they were there since long back, my lord, from 40-50 years. And every year, my lord, they uses to cultivate and harvest rice, my lord, paddy. Now, as a result, what happened, my lord, before the eviction, their eviction drive, which has been carried out recently, my lord, they cultivated the crops and which has now ripened, my lord, and now ready for harvesting. Now, my lord, as we had already been evicted, my lord, so, my lord, as per law, we are not being allowed to enter and harvest the land, my lord. And once we attempted and requested the Divisional Forest Office and other respondents also, my lord, but they declined. Now, my lord, as a result, what has happened, this is the last resort, my lord, for the food grains, and if we can be allowed to collect under their supervision, my lord, then only we can have some livelihood materials will be available, my lord. Because now, my lord, after the eviction, the authorities have even stopped giving the ration, my lord, under the National Food Security Act schemes, my lord. We were earlier getting 5 kgs of rice as a, my lord, within that category. Now that has also been stopped. Our child's, my lord, education has also been stopped. Now we are homeless, scattered here and there, my lord. Only if we can harvest these lands, my lord. then
Yes, what do you say, Mr.
My lord.
My lord, there is a complete bar, my lords. Forest Conservation Act comes and also the section 24 and 25. And some in similar cases, my lords, the petition, in some other cases, my lord, they had approached this honorable court for similar prayers, which is rejected, my lord, citing the provisions of Forest Conservation Act 1980 and Assam Forest Regulations. And also, my lord, there's a Supreme Court T.N. Godavarman, my lords. Godavarman says, my lords, even a dead leaf cannot be lifted. Dead leaf cannot be lifted from the reserve forest.
These are live living.
Even going to that also, my lord. There also, my lord, we had there was an eviction drive to expand the area of Kaziranga, and this society, my lord, was also involved in cultivation.
Both the same.
Tejpur. And then there
There's
is
an order, same thing.
My lord,
Same thing, in the meantime, prayer has been made to allow the petitioner to collect the harvest mainly comprising of so and so which have become ripe in the meantime,
my lord.
right? Same thing, Forest Conservation Act, Wildlife Protection
This
Act,
is, my lord, filed by some Krishak Palm Samiti, my lord.
whatever,
My
the
lord, my lord.
eviction was done.
Dispose the
Dispose.
It was initially it is on the rejection of interim prayer.
my lord.
Yes, my lords.
This
It has been disposed of. It went to retapit also. Nothing happened, my lord. They had disposed. And another thing, my lord, if we go by the petition also, lordship, they have annexed one page 49, where they have assailed, have gone to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said status quo. If that be the status quo, That's the status quo. How can they enter and cultivate?
Lord, the status quo as regards the residence and the other properties, my lord. With the issue of that petition was regarding only, my lord.
If that is not so, then this order
My lord.
will be applicable. And then if it is before the division bench also. and
Nothing
division
happened.
bench-
My lord,
We check-
only.
We check the orders.
My lord, only distinction we can carve out, my lord. With all respect to the judgment passed by this honorable court, my lord, in a similar case. My lord, the harvest, the cultivation, my lord, if it is before the, my lord, eviction, my lord, then we could have some rights, my lord, over the properties, my lord. Now, we are not saying that we should be allowed to again resettle there or we should be allowed to rehabilitate there.
But actually same thing.
My lord, only the, now, my lord, what will happen to the rice, my lord, if we do not cultivate, it will wasted, my lord. Even the government can also collect
Yeah,
and keep it in, we have heard, my lord, they are saying that the no forest activities are should be there, but we have heard that some local organizations are being allowed
No,
to.
I am at the same time is bound by this also. And what is the division bench order?
Well, I don't have it right now, but division also failed of, didn't interfere, my lords.
It had gone for appeal.
Yes, my lord, it had gone for appeal. And
Place it,
I can place it after some time. Lord.
not after some time,
Wait,
tomorrow or
Monday, my
after
lord.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord, tomorrow, my lord.
Otherwise,
Crop is going, crop is will be there up to tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
yes, yes.
My lord.
Otherwise, if lordship holds this book also contains citation that even they have the knowledge or no knowledge, they are trespassers. And section 25 completely bars any cultivation.
Trespassers, my lord, is at this
Now
moment.
let us know,
My
not going to
Not
that.
going to that.
If the position is clarified by a coordinate bench of this court
My lord.
and it is not disturbed by the higher
No, my lord.
forum, then I am
Binding.
bound by it.
My lord.
That is the only logic for me at this
No, no.
point of time.
No, no, my lord, actually, I am grateful.
That my hands are tied. If my hands are tied,
I can.
then no need to hear further.
No, I am
let-
grateful to my
let us-
inner friend also because as he has.
Let us have the division bench order also,
My lord.
right?
My lords.
And there may be some leeway
If some.
for you also.
My
Let us see. Okay, day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
ARV petitioners, D. Google and Standing Counsel Forest Department for the respondent authorities, list as on for Federal and Council Board of Parties, list the case on Wednesday.
Obliged.
May it please the lordship, herein the petitioners are in possession of cash land for the last 15 to 20 years, my lord. And they have applied for
15 to
20 years.
their name in the Chita Revenue Department as Dokaldar. Where is that?
That I have not annexed, but in the that I have not annexed, my lord.
It is in your inside your brief.
My lord.
Huh?
No, that in the but
Then there is nothing.
no process is going on. My
Page
lord.
20, madam.
If that is not there in the petition, there is nothing
Now,
to support
process
your
is
claim.
going on, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see the page number 18, my lord. Annexure 4.
Where is your name? Where is your name?
Copy of the letter along with your lordship may kindly your lordship may annexure.
No
2, my lord.
opinion expressed. It is a forwarding only.
Ajit,
No opinion is expressed.
but when the application is under process, the eviction notice
It is not processed.
was issued, my lord.
No, where is your Dokaldar?
Well,
Everybody can make an application. And thereafter, it
Your
will be
lordship-
filed that I have filed an application, no consideration. Please,
your lordship may fix it on
please issue a mandamus
Your lordship
for
may
consideration of my application.
fix-
At least this court does not direct so.
Your lordship may fix it on Wednesday. I will produce.
Otherwise, no claim.
Madam, page 20, page 20.
A, B, C or X, Y, Z. can make an application. Whether he has any right or no right. Here you said that 1520 years, so in revenue chita, you are dakaldar, recorded. Then we can examine whether any kind of, it is ceiling surplus, you said, or cast land, then we can say that as per the land policy.
Land policy.
The
You're-
lordship fix it
but-
on Wednesday.
Give us something. Okay, on the care of Miss S. Roy, let me counsel for the petitioner, which is not opposed by Mr. N. Das, learned junior government advocate for the state respondents. Please the case on Friday, Wednesday.
12. Time being method, item 4.
Made please, Lord. I'm very sorry, my lord, I was in the other court, my lord.
Huh.
I'm very sorry, I was in the other. Here, my
Yes.
lord, we have challenged the confiscation proceeding, my lord.
It will,
The im-
confiscation, is full. Okay.
my lord,
What
here,
is
my
the
lord,
matter about?
here, my lord, we have challenged the impugned order, my lord, of confiscation, that is at page 20. My truck was confiscated, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
No? Yes. Why your clerk has not put the code number?
My lord.
Out of this, out of the in the writ petition.
Lordship.
Code number, category.
Oh,
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Please take these two. Bench 4. Thereafter we will go proceed. Go serially. One is confiscation.
Lordship.
The second, two codes are there. Orders under the Essential Commodities Act. Both fall in bench 4.
Bench 4, my lord.
And there is no code.
I also lordship in the top, it is written as bench 4.
No here.
Category of food.
Oh. এইটো ইউনিভাৰ্চেল কোডটো কি?
Mohuri Diana.
Mr. Abdullah, you should put some effort on your own.
Lordship.
Don't delegate this function to the clerk.
Lordship, I'm so sorry, my lord,
But during my practices, I always check the code myself.
Lordship, Lordship.
One is confiscation.
Lordship.
Second is orders under essential commodities. Next page, next page. Orders under essential commodities.
Yes.
Is it not?
Lordship.
Now, here
That's four.
the universal code is applied. 10089, I think. Last.
Lordship.
Where everything under the sun can be included.
Lordship.
Will record this writ petition has been filed without incorporating the you will go code and category of the subject matter. Pusto. Comma, which is not appreciated. Pusto. On examination, it is found that the subject matter of writ petition is an confiscation order, comma, which is an order under the Essential Commodities Act, comma, which are covered by CR 10117 and CR 10175 respectively. Post of the registry, despite specific codes, registered the writ petition under code number 10189, which used to be entered in absence of any specific code in respect of the subject not a repetition. First of whether raise the case before the appropriate minutes with a report from the registry as to why the writ petition has been registered under code number 10189.
Item 16 for admission.
16 admission.
6 months. Last date कितने बजे लेगा?
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, this is regarding installation of a electrical transformer in a wrong premise by the FEDCL on the application filed by the BSNL authorities. In fact, it is admitted, my lord. And they sought, on the last date, they sought that they will get the instructions. And they committed that they will vacate it.
FEDCL authority.
No, BSNL authority.
BSNL.
authority.
They have come with instructions. He's there, madam. They need 6 months' time.
Lordship, I'm appearing for BSNL. Lordship, I have the instruction. We need another 6 months for the shifting of the tower.
Why 6 months?
Lordship, the site has been identified, but during that process, it will take some time.
2 years already gone by
Yes, Lordship.
since 2023. Yes.
My lord,
petitioner.
the anxiety is that, my lord, this particular petitioner is suffering from cancer. She want to sell this plot of land. Because of this transformer, nobody is willing to take this plot of land. Can it be a bit earlier? 3 months may be given.
Lordship, we are trying as soon as possible if we can ship, but minimum, Lordship, 4
So what
months.
kind of efforts you are putting up? There should be reflection. And there should be reflection.
Well, they have floated tender. Since, my lord, we also know that it
Floated tender.
That-
For what?
for the operationalizing the new site, my lord.
So new site has been selected.
Yes, Lordship.
This petitioner is Rohit Trivalla. Who is Hemendas?
Hemant as a performer dependent is a husband. Husband.
Oh, husband.
Husband, my lord.
Regarding GSM BTS Tower. BTS Tower belongs to whom?
Hemendas. There is a lease agreement between Hemendas and
And the
PS.
BSNL.
Oh, that is BSNL.
BSNL.
These are evasive. Evasive reply. Tender for such new installation would, however, take its usual time to process. You are in a litigation before the High Court, right? This kind of approach is not welcome. The tender for such new installation would, however, take its usual time to process. Take specific instruction
Yes, Lordship.
by Friday. Within what time you are going to float the NIT? And within what time after that, the date of submission of the tender?
Lordship.
Right? Otherwise, this kind of reply would keep coming.
No, otherwise they have other things to point, because the agreement of total 6. It was installation done. They woke up in 23.
Woke up definitely, but right to property is there. 23, that is enough time. 2 years. You are representing whom?
Lordship, respondent number 2, 3, and 4.
Mr. Gogoi, you are representing 2, 3, 4. Then you are APDCL.
APDCL minus. I'm for
That
the
is 6,
6 minus
7.
6 and 7.
Any state council, power department? You don't represent power,
No,
huh? State government?
no, they have this.
Any specific council? That's number 5.
Normally the government used to take instruction on Madam M. Burman is to come.
Okay. Heard Mr. N. Bormon, learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss
M. Tiwari.
M. Tiwari, learned counsel. You are standing counsel,
No, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of
Okay.
Mr. B. Pathak.
representing Mr. B. Pathak, learned standing counsel. Learned counsel for the respondent BSNL for the respondent number. Learned standing counsel BSNL for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. And Mr. D. Gogoi, learned standing counsel APDCL for the respondent number 6 and 7. Miss Tiwari, na? Tiwari
Yes, Lordship.
has placed a copy of an office letter dated 24/10/2025 of the respondent number 4 addressed to Mr. Pathak to submit that steps are being taken for removal, shifting of the transformer from the plot of land belonging to the petitioner. First of para on perusal of the office contents of the office letter dated 24/10/2025, comma. It is noticed that it is found that a mention is made to the effect that a statement is made to the effect that the tender for it is mentioned that the BSNL authorities have already identified an alternative site for comma near to the present. What is BTS? BTS full form? Any idea? Anybody? No idea. Transparent লিখিবলে BTS tower লিখিব। BTS tower.
Base and Seaward Station.
Base
And
traffic.
Seaward Station.
BTS লিখিব। BTS tower. To a nearby plot of land, comma, to a new plot of land near to the present BTS tower, and the tender for such installation would, however, take its usual time to process. Full stop. In the considered view of the court, comma, when the petitioner is pursuing the present litigation since 2023 for shifting of the BTS tower along with the transformer installed in the petitioner's plot of land, comma, is statements that the process of shifting the tender for such new installation would however, take its usual time to process, is found to be an evasive one. First off, the respondent number 4 shall place specific instruction within what time the notice inviting tender NIT will be published and the time limit to be given to the bidders for submission of their respective bids on the next date of listing. List the case on next Monday.
I'm obliging, madam.
17/11.
Otherwise, he has to come. Tell him.
Item 18.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed and Mr.
In this case, my lord, respondent number,
Why it has come?
come or admission, my lord, directed the.
Nobody has filed affidavit.
My lord, it's almost ready, my lord. Let it be.
What is the problem?
Problem, my lord, illegally holding the post of president, vice president. my lord.
Yes.
They have no any right, my lord.
May be allowed.
My instruction is that my meeting took place, my lord.
And we need.
My instruction is a meeting took place and with the same contents
Okay,
and if
Mr. Sharma, you will represent whom?
that's my lord.
Das, sorry.
356, my lord.
356. Okay. You represent
9, 10,
Mr.
11.
M.H. Ahmed.
9, 10, 11, and 12.
Here also, 9, 10, 11, 12. You represent, okay. Anybody else? State Election Commission, or me, where Mr. Doctor? Mr. Doctor, Standing Council for Panchayat and Rural Development. 1, 7 in it. লিখিলে গোটেইখিনি নামটো লিখিলে A.M. Ahmed petitioners. Now, who are the parties who are required to file affidavits?
Only, my lord, my learned friend.
Mr. Ahmed is not going to file.
My lord, I want to file. As
will
per my
file.
petition, I am not my.
Okay. Both Mr. Das and Mr. Ahmed have prayed for and are granted 2 weeks' time to file their respective counter affidavits.
Miller to 2 weeks.
List the case.
Miller 2 weeks long date, Miller. Earlier also.
5-year term. 5 year.
A date may be fixed.
I've said
1st December, 1/12.
12. 2 days, 10. 2 days, 10.
Oh, wow. If it goes like that, it will be difficult. You count
Item
like
19.
this.
Oh, please.
Nineteen lordship, I am praying for some more time, lordship. We have not yet received any instructions.
Mr.
Chairman,
H. A. Ahmed, petitioner. Petitioners, same thing.
same thing, my lord, the
First meeting or what?
petition number 1 and
Now, what is the grievance?
my lord, in this case, petition number 1 and respondent number 6 got 5 votes equal. But that one vote in favor of petitioner has been cancelled.
Okay.
That is the case due to secrecy of violation.
Okay.
That is the case.
When basically then it is the state.
Lordship.
Mr. Ahmed? Okay.
I will
H.
try
A.
to get the
Ahmed,
instruction.
then as Doctor, Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, 1 and 4. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate.
236.
Assam for the respondent number 236. A.M. Ahmed for the respondent number 7. Mr. R. Dubey, learned Standing Council, Assam State Election Commission, respondent number 5. Now, who are the main respondents to file?
Lordship, most probably I have to.
Okay. Mr. Sharma,
Co-district commission only.
Learned Council, representing
Commission.
respondent number 2 and 3. Additional senior my approval. Impending response number 2 and 3. How much time?
Let it be in the first week of December, Lordship. I will try my level best.
Has sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. Full stop. This is the case on 1/12/2025. So, Mr. Ahmed, 2 weeks, same date. I am not discriminated.
Now my learned friend is submitting slowly, Lordship. In this side.
Item 20.
Sajid Khan. Yes, Sajid Khan. Steps.
Yes, Lordship, but
What happened?
service
Take
is
it.
not, yes, Lordship, but service not completed yet. Lordship.
Service not completed. 5 and 6.
FRDC.
Yes, Lordship.
On the last focus.
Respected notice. Where is the office note?
That is.
What is this?
My lord, an instruction was sought for, my lord. Whether the case has been pending or the status of the case, my lord. Each says, my lord, FIR has already been filed, my lord. Way back on
the basis of
28/1/2015.
Sajid Khan.
Final report.
2079. What is the prayer here?
Praise Lordship to Lordship, respondent number 4 is the insurance company of the petitioner's vehicle. Now they are not paying the insurance money. It's because of the case, the FIR or the case or the Borolumuk PS case 352 of 2014. And to directly respond number 2.
Come to your page 16.
Page 6. Yes, Lordship.
Quashen set aside impugn final report.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yes, Lordship.
Second prayer, to direct further investigation.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yes, yes, Lord.
First to prayer.
First prayer. Yes, Lordship.
You have to be, this repetition is to be dismissed.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
After the final report, what did you do?
after the final report, Lordship,
After the final report, what did you do?
file is WPC, Lordship.
Huh?
File this.
Read petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Is it the way? What is the number? The final report is submitted
Yes, Lordship, but
and a petition rushed to the High Court.
Lordship.
And the High Court entertains this kind of writ petition, then High Court will be choked by thousands of this kind of writ petition. So this kind of writ petition is to be thrown at the very inception. From the first date. Dismiss. Sakari Basu. Read the judgment.
It cannot be re-investigated or something.
No.
It can be.
No, he has to file a protest petition. Right? If the, yes, the court can also, court can do it. Court can do it. Court can accept it, reject the final report, direct further investigation, or court can, accepting the final report, there are 4 options available for the trial court.
Yes,
4 options.
Re-investigate.
No, he is basically for further investigation. Reinvestigation is an exceptional case, which is not. This is to be discarded completely.
Once rejected,
Sakari Basu, you breathe it.
Yes, Lord.
And you come back on Monday.
Monday, Lordship.
If this kind of repetition is allowed, 2008 SSC perhaps, right? Then high courts will be flooded with thousands of this kind of repetition. For that reason, this kind of repetition should be nipped in the bud, should be dismissed
Yes, Lordship.
at the inception. But everybody has allowed this repetition to remain on the board since 2018 by Mr. Goswami, by Mr. Das.
Second time.
Is it not?
Second time.
Huh?
Second day that was there.
At least I have dismissed hundred of repetitions. Is it not? This did not come to my board earlier, so I did not dismiss. You are Mr. Shorania.
Yes, Lordship. A. Sarania, appearing on behalf of M. Sarania, Lordship.
Huh?
Appearing on behalf of M. Sarania, Lordship.
Okay. Tell Mr. Shorania
Lordship.
to come. Mr. A. Shorania, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. N. Das, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, 3.
2, 3 minutes. 1, 2.
And Mr. R. Goswami, learned
Person
counsel for
of
the respondent number 4
4.
are present. Full stop. Peruzda. Good government. Office note dated 6/11/2025. Full stop. Who are they? Respond number 5 and 6.
So the Lordship, they were at that time, they were the IO.
Police officer at that level. Person level. OC and the IO.
And after final report, why Mr. Goswami, you are not also satisfying the claim?
No, Lordship, the final report was the police report, that final report was probably not there, Lordship, at that point
Huh?
of time. When the claim was repudiated, the final report was not clear. Nothing at that point of time.
As per report dated 6/4/2025 of the Inspector of Police, from the
report
officer
that-
in charge,
report-
Purnam Police Station,
2000
placed by Mr. Das, no, addressed to Mr. Das and placed by Mr. Das, the investigation of Hornumuk Police Station, case number 352/2014. Had returned in a final report by final report number 15/2015 on 28/01/2015, which is assailed in this writ petition. What is the impugn order 22/11/2017? Oh. There is another order, 22/11/2017.
Page 30.
I have seen page 43. His protest petition notice was sent to him. Then it was dismissed. that do not fulfill the category of cannot be treated as complaint petition. So it was rejected. Then what did the insurance company? Why, Mr. Goswami?
Yes, Lordship. It is rejected on the basis, as per reputation, it is rejected on the basis of the papers given by him. It wasn't done. That was not a part of.
Okay.
Lordship, I'll come back on Monday.
We may decide the writ petition. FR is closed. FR and protest complaint petition is dismissed. Then about your repudiation, we have to check your repudiation.
That's why I'll come back on.
Because at this stage, after 7 years, relegating him to some forum may not be convenient also. Otherwise, this should have been a consumer complaint,
Yes, Lordship.
not
Already
writ
a big
petition.
case,
Not writ petition.
Not writ petition.
But nobody has raised the issue. Huh? So far as the claim regarding the insurance company, it should have been before the consumer forum. Regarding rejection of that complaint petition before the district session judge. But we have allowed this writ petition to remain on board for last 7 years. I wait for the service report in respect of the respondent number 5 and 6. Post of the learned counsel for the petitioner is to address on the maintainability of the writ petition in view of the decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court in Sakari Bosu citation to Geneva and other subsequent decisions. Lays the case on.
Lordship, finally,
Yes?
it
Anything?
was based on the, our affidavit said it was based on the final report only.
And you said that something, 2001 days. This man filed a claim after 2001 days. I have seen just. You be prepared.
It's a bear, I'll come.
Yes.
Kindly the matter be fixed for tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Not tomorrow. Monday. Oh, sorry. What is the case?
IA, we have filed the IA, making a prayer for extension of 30 days time for.
Who granted you time?
My lord, the limitation period has already been extended, my lord.
SK Medhi. Original order by SK Medhi.
Yes, sir.
Honorable Justice
My lord.
SK Medhi.
Yes, my lord, pass on order.
He is
dated-
sitting in division bench.
My lord.
But this normally should have been decided by him only,
My lord.
division bench. He'll be in, I think, single bench next Monday.
My lord.
We'll put it.
Bless my lord.
On the prayer of Miss.
Sir.
Yes. Anything? Learned counsel for the applicant petitioner and Mr. H. Burwa,
My lord.
learned counsel representing the respondent authorities, raise the case on Monday.
Lordship, can it be taken up on a Wednesday, Your Lordship?
That next Wednesday.
This Wednesday.
I am-
There are many matters fixed on this one.
No. The reason is that the original order was passed
Yes,
by
sir.
Honorable Justice Medhi.
Yes, my lord.
This application should be listed
Yes, my lord.
before him. But presently he is in division bench. That is why I am fixing it on Monday. Next Monday onwards, he'll be sitting in single bench.
Yes, my lord.
That is the reason only.
Understood, my lord. Obliged, my lord.